welcome everyone to all my day one subscriber. Thank you for the continuous support. To all the newcomers, thanks for coming, guys, and I hope you stick around. Today I'm gonna cook some Jamaica soup. In my soup today, it's gonna be chicken back, chicken neck, and chicken foot, along with pumpkin and red peas. So just stay tuned and see what your girl can do. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, select the bell, choose all, and also give us a like and a share. Yes guys, today I'm gonna cook some good soup. They don't know a thing go Saturday morning. We have to get with good soup in Jamaica. So guys, I went ahead and clean up my meat. It's my chicken foot there, my chicken neck and my chicken back well clean. So I'm gonna add some vinegar to wash it off, you know, get my pot going. Yeah, soup I got nice today. I love my soup, I not lie. So guys, now I'm gonna set on my peas. I need my peas to cook a little bit, like maybe for half an hour before me add in my meat, because I don't want my meat to be too tough. So I want it to be soft. So I go add in it early, about half an hour after cooking my red peas. So here I'm using 1 cup of red peas. So I go cook my red peas right now. So guys, after cooking my red peas for about half an hour now, I'm gonna add my meat. And reason why I'm adding it now is because I like my meat to be very tender, right? Soft. I want my chicken to be soft, right? So I'm adding it now and let it cook for a while, and then I'm gonna check back on it. Yes guys, so I check back on my pot and the water have dried down a little, so I'm gonna add some more water to the pot and leave it, make it cook some more. So yes guys, so every 15 minutes I have to check on my soup, right? Because I want to ensure everything is going right. So here I'm removing the fat from my soup. This fat came from the chicken foot, and I recommend you guys remove it too, to get this delicious soup what I'm cooking, right? So just stay tuned and watch how good I do our thing. So after another 10 minutes, I'm gonna now put in my dumpling, right? And why I'm putting my dumpling, because the dumpling take a little longer to cook than the Irish, the pumpkin, and you know, but I'm gonna add them shortly after, just right after I should say. So here I'm adding my pumpkin to my soup. And guys, at this point right here, my meat cook, so it's gonna get more tender, I should say, right? So I'm adding my Irish as well, right? So here I add my Irish, my pumpkin, and then I'm gonna add some coconut milk. And here I'm adding 1 cup of coconut milk. Guys, trust me, you want to try it my way. To each his own. Try it my way, and you tell me. You leave a comment and tell me if you like it or not. So here guys, I check back on my pot to see how it's looking. Very yummy already. Look at that. So guys, everything basically cooked right now in my pot. So I'm gonna add the seasoning, the natural herb seasoning, which is my thyme, my scallion, my carrot, my pepper, I have a piece of onion here and some pimento grains, and this is gonna add flavor. And then I don't know if you guys notice, I don't use no salt throughout my cooking here, right? Reason being, I'm gonna use the cock soup and the pumpkin soup to give me that flavor that I'm looking for. And these ingredients already have salt in them, so I'm not gonna use. That is the reason why I don't use no salt. And another thing, guys, I sieve my pumpkin soup and my cock soup. I don't like the noodles, so I sieve them and remove the noodles. So I'm gonna just stir in my pumpkin soup. Guys, this soup, trust me. So I stir in that pack. I'm gonna add my cock soup now and stir it in and let it cook a little bit more, like for another 10 minutes, and that's it. Yes guys, so a pot lanya now, so I'm gonna share 2 bowls, one for you and one for me. And guys, if you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.